In this video I'm showing how to descale a Nespresso Vertuo Next. On the Vertuo Next, you know it's time to descale whenever you start seeing the brew button flash orange 3 times just like this. The process does take about 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to go through these steps as quickly and simply as possible. First, fill the tank with 17 ounces of water. If you don't have a way to measure, the machine head is just about the same height as the fill level. Next, we need some of the Nespresso descaling solution. You can get this from Amazon or Nespresso. It's about the same price depending on shipping. Use a pair of scissors to cut the corner off of one of the packets and then pour the solution into the tank. It gives a pink lemonade vibe, but it has all kinds of warnings about this being bad for your eyes, skin, and causing California in the state of cancer, so be careful. Go ahead and put the tank with the cleaning solution in place. Then open up the machine head to eject any spent pods and close it so that it latches. Give the machine a few seconds here to warm up. You'll know it's ready to go whenever the light stops blinking. Then with the machine head closed so that it is latched but still in the unlocked position, press and hold the brew button for 7 seconds. The light should begin rapidly blinking orange. Turn the lever to the locked position. Then turn the lever back to the unlocked position, but not so much that the machine head opens. Press and hold the brew button again for 7 seconds. It will briefly turn off and then begin rapidly blinking orange again. At this point, you can go ahead and turn the lever to the locked position. Remove the drip tray and put a large container in place to catch the water and descaling solution as it comes out. Then press the brew button once to begin descaling. The light on the top will continue blinking orange throughout this stage. As the machine is descaling, it will sound different than it normally does when you're brewing. However, it goes on autopilot here for about 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part. The machine will pause after it's emptied the tank of the cleaning solution. You can go ahead and pour whatever was caught in the bowl down the sink. You won't be needing that anymore. Remove the tank and rinse it thoroughly to be sure you get all the descaling solution out of there. Fill the tank with fresh water and then reconnect it to the machine. Put your catch container back in place and then push the button once to begin the rinse phase. This phase took about 5 minutes to complete. Again, I'll fast forward through this as well. When the rinse phase is complete, the machine should stop on its own and return to a solid white light. You can dispose of the rinse water and put the drip tray back in place. The owner's manual recommends letting the machine rest for 10 minutes before brewing. But aside from that, my friends, you are done descaling your Nespresso Vertuo Next. Hit like if this helped you out, and thanks for watching.